welcome to my channel, the Everyday Learning. Now the name has been changed. So today I will be showing you very important thing for that making videos and doing the screen recording in your PCs, that is the OBS Studio. So I will download it and I will open all the OBS Studio setup, and I will install it and show it to you and how you can install it in your PC or any of the things. Okay, so without wasting time, let's start. And before starting, please like, share and subscribe my channel. And if you are new, please see my all the videos and like, share. And if you share it more and more, my subscriber will be more and it will be good for me. So without wasting time, let's start. So at first you need to open just the Chrome browser. Yes, I am opening the Chrome browser now. In the search bar, let me just see you one time. Search bar. In this search bar, you need to search that only OBS Studio, OBS Studio, and you need to just simply press enter. And here you can see that a interface have come. Let me just show you with the help of this pointer. It will be okay for you then. Just see, this is the OBS Studio first link, obsproject.com, https.com, and this OBS Studio. Okay, don't go or click on any other link because that are too fake. Okay, so simply click this only. Okay, so I am just clicking it only. After clicking, you will see this type of interface. See, this type of interface, and there will be options like Windows, Mac, Linux. And if you are using Linux, you can download it by clicking here the Linux. And if you are using that Mac, you need to click here for download. And if you are using Windows, just click Windows. And when you will go to this, that you will see that support Windows 8, Windows 8.1 and Windows 10. It is available for Windows 8.1, 8 and Windows 10. Okay, so here you can understand it very well. Now I will just simply click that Windows, and you need to also click Windows if you are using Windows. After clicking, you will be take to that OBS welcome page, and here it will start download. In some moments you can see that download started. Here red color just, and it will take some time depending upon your total network speed. So I need to pause my video to show it to you. Now here you can see that my download has been completed here. So I will just click open. Okay, you can open it from the folder. I am just now opening from here, open. And you need to minimize or you can cross it. I am minimizing it. So you need to press some refresh and verifying the resources, and it will show like this interface. And you need to just simply click next, and you need to also click next, and next you need to click install, and it will installing. So when installing finish, I will show it to you. Okay, it will not take some time. I am trying to not exceed my video more than the 5 minutes. So guys, यहाँ पर install हो गया. So you need to press just finish, and it will, I need to open that. Okay, 1 minute. So here is my OBS Studio. I am just opening it. First opening will take some time, so I am just pausing it. So here guys, my OBS Studio has launched. I will just show it to you, and you need to work on it, and I will also show you working.